Calie had her very first art exhibit experience at Yayoi Kusama Exhibition in National Gallery of Victoria, and we were joined by the Tan family for this unforgettable adventure. It was a magical moment seeing Calie light up in Kusama's world of dots, mirrors, and infinite possibilities. Exploring the iconic masterpiece and colorful displays made the experience even more special for both families. One of our favorite moments was adding our very own touch to the obliteration room. Watching the kids immerse themselves in creativity was priceless. For Calie's first art exhibit, this was more than we could have hoped for. Fun, inspiring, and shared with great company, a memory to treasure.